the ongoing trial for the murder of Memphis rapper Young Dolph, new revelations have surfaced, turning the spotlight on Yo Gotti's brother, Big Jook. As prosecutors laid out their case on September 23, 2024, they claimed that Big Jook, a high-ranking member of Yo Gotti's CMG record label, ordered a $100,000 hit on Young Dolph, intensifying an already heated courtroom drama. Two suspects in the case, Cornelius Smith and Hernandez Gowen, are expected to testify against their alleged co-conspirator, Justin Johnson, further complicating the already complex dynamics of this trial. Prosecutors allege that Johnson, who also raps under the name Straight Drop, carried out the fatal shooting of Young Dolph in 2021, motivated by both money and career ambitions. Assistant District Attorney Paul Hagerman told the jury that Johnson saw this crime as a way to elevate his status within the rap world and potentially secure a future with CMG. In a bold move, Hagerman detailed that Johnson and Smith used a white Mercedes, later ditched in Orange Mound, as their getaway car. Johnson is further implicated by phone records and security footage, which prosecutors argue ties him directly to the crime scene and the aftermath. The courtroom was tense as the defense team countered, casting doubt on the credibility of both Smith and Gowen, who have reportedly agreed to testify in exchange for potential leniency. Johnson's attorney, Luke Evans, questioned the motives behind the testimony, suggesting that both men were attempting to save themselves by falsely accusing his client. Evans also attacked the evidence, stating that fingerprints found on the white Mercedes belonged to Smith, not Johnson, and claiming that the prosecution's narrative lacked the solid proof required to convict his client beyond a reasonable doubt. Big Jook's involvement, however, casts a larger shadow over the case. The feud between Young Dolph and CMG is no secret, with years of public animosity and violent incidents between their camps. Big Jook's alleged role in orchestrating the murder adds a new layer to the rivalry, turning what was already a tragic and shocking case into a far-reaching web of power struggles within the Memphis rap scene. With Smith and Gowen set to take the stand, the stakes in this case couldn't be higher. Johnson faces life in prison without parole if convicted, while the fates of Smith and Gowen remain uncertain. The testimonies of these two key witnesses could either confirm the prosecution's case or expose serious flaws, making this trial one of the most closely watched in Memphis in recent years. The murder of Young Dolph, whose real name was Adolph Thornton Jr., shocked the community back in 2021. Gunned down at Makeda's homemade cookies in broad daylight, his death left a lasting scar on Memphis and the wider rap community. As this trial unfolds, fans and loved ones continue to seek justice for the beloved rapper, whose influence reached far beyond music. As both sides prepare for the testimonies of Smith and Gowen, the trial is set to delve deeper into the murky world of street rivalries, record label feuds, and the quest for fame, all against the backdrop of a community still mourning its loss. Stay subscribed for more videos.